Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I'll show you that how to connect React with Node.js. So we will see how Node.js and React.js are an important part of developing a full stack web applications where React is used as a front end and Node is for the backend. Firstly, I'll talk about little bit brief details about the React.js. React.js is an open source JavaScript library popularly used to create user interface for single page applications. It boosts a large and active developer community, whereas Node.js is a predominantly utilized for non-blocking event-driven server. Leveraging its single-threaded nature, it finds application in traditional website and backend API services. With design focus on the real-time and push-based architecture. Okay, so I have made a folder. I'll show you. Okay, just a minute. Yes. Yes. So I have made a folder called employee, and within employee I have a front end which is the React file, and within that React file I have a folder called backend. Here all the backend coding are there. I have two backend file, FJS and Short.js, and this is the React file. The whole is the React file. This whole thing is the React file. Especially this one is more important, SRC. So I have installed it. I will not show you that how to create React app. I'll directly go to the coding part, and this is the main folder. This is the main file of React. It is under SRC, and its name should be index.js only. So I have used Axios. That's why I have to import it Axios. So you can write like this. That's in the CMD. You have to write npm install.axios and it will be installed. So I have already installed it, so I will not go into this detail. But you have to install the Axios if you are using it. You have to if you are importing it, you have to install npm. You have to write in the CMD npm install Axios. And this is the I would say this is the component. The component. Its name is data. This is the data name of the component. You can say that it is data, and I have here used Axios, so you have to this is the syntax of Axios, this whole three line you can say, and within that axios.get I have copied a URL which I'll be having from the backend one. So I'll show you that how to generate that URL. So this is the that URL I have copied here. I pasted here. I copied from the backend one, and this is the information I want to show it. It is under the params. Sorry, this is the sign, and within that I have used IMD, employee ID, name, and rank. And this is I have this is just basically syntax of Axios. You have to know it, and I have taken this component here. I have called this component here. Normally, you have to call it like this. So this is all the front end part. You can say that it is under React. So I'm using React as a front end, and this I have two backend files. First one is the main app, the main file. This is the app.js. Similar to like in the front end we write index.js, but in the backend I write app.js. So firstly I have to import Express. I will use the Express. So in this file, okay, I'll again show you that what things to be installed. In the CMD, you have to install npm install express, also npm install course. Since we are connecting React with Node.js, you have to install both the npm express as well as the npm in the express as well as the course. You have to write npm install course and npm install express. Just a minute. Yes, I've created an app and I imported a course, and this is the new file I have imported. This is the, you know, I have connected with a new file which is show.js, and I have used that show.js, I have used that course, and I have app.listen, which it means that it is showing that in what port I am using. So I am using port 8099, and this is the console.log run at 8009, which means that if it is perfectly running, it would show in the CMD file that run at 8099. That's why I have used here console. That's why I have used in the console.log. And this is the show.js file. This is the main file, I would say that. I have imported the express, that router, since we are connecting this file with the app.js. That's why I've used a router, and within that router option, I have taken a function called request.js console.request.query to take an input. So this is the three input variable IMD, name and rank. Here you can see that IMD, so sorry, imply ID, name and rank, and yeah, this is I have here. Uh, I have taken this value in the console.log, and in the last you have to write module.export.router. This is the basic syntax of any file in the backend apart from the app.js. This is the app.js syntax, and I have already run that. I'll show you directly. Since it takes time, that's why I directly show you that how it is run. And yes, so you have to run both the program. So it is already running. So yes, you have to write in the backend one. This is the backend file. You have to write node app.js. So normally we have to write whenever we run a program for backend, we have to write node dot the main file, which is the app.js file. So you have to write node app.js file, and in the front end one, you have to write npm start. So this is the file, and you have to write here npm start. This is the CMD for the front end one, and you can see that it is perfectly running. 101 Prashant and 1, and you can see here this 101 Prashant rank 1, and here it is printed like this. So hope you get it, that how to connect React with Node.js. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. Bye.